Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this lecture, I'll be going over some of the predictions of the full moon that's coming up on April the 6th. Precisely, it's going to be at 12:34 a.m. on April the 6th. There's a technique that I use called horary astrology when you're looking at the heavenly bodies, specifically when something is taking place. In this case, the full moon. So for starters, we can look at the full moon. Of course, this is always an opposition, a tension. So this tension is between the moon and the sun, and the signs are Aries and Libra. Libra being balanced, Aries being a bit more hasty. This is an interesting combination that takes place within the full moon. By the way, it's known as the pink moon, first full moon of the spring. So the ascendant is in Sagittarius, of course, the centaur, and kind of being Sagittarius is kind of a headstrong kind of sign. And Jupiter is the ruler of Sagittarius, so it's from previous astrological lectures, I've told you that not only the ascendant is important, but also understanding where the ruling planet is. And as you can see, Jupiter is right next to the Sun, so there's an exact sort of effect of Jupiter on this full moon, accentuating. Usually they say it's 3 times more than normal, for instance, emotions. That is accentuated through Jupiter. Of course, Jupiter usually has a benign effect and almost a helpful sort of effect. So again, this is in the midheaven, the moon, the sun, which usually you would think the other way around, but the sun is near the in the 4th house. So the midheaven is actually something that might not have been necessarily revealed is revealed. And then there's also good to look at the sign of the moon. And the sign of the moon is Libra, which is ruled by Venus. And Venus is over here, down here, in the 5th house. So, and then this is kind of adjacent to a personal planet, or outside planet, which is Uranus. So if I look at this prediction, I know I've given you a lot of technical jargon. I see again all the planets basically on the below the horizon. So a lot of potential planting taking place, literally of the seeds, and figuratively of things that you want to start. And then the moon is using some of that emotion and kind of your past experiences to drive your career and collectively kind of make progress, whether it's through countries interacting or even at the community level, social level. So I hope this will help give you some insight as to how this applies to your own life. And this is usually a 30-day reading for the cycle. Thank you for listening.